Hello, dear friends. How are you? I'm Wayne from Shumatt. Today is the first day of AMR 2026 Beijing. Now, let me show you some products of our booth. This is for Bosch product, the injector, the nozzle, and the valve. Then this is product of Denso, plunger, and fuel pipe. Okay, let's go. This is Delphi product. Then imported quality. And the last one, the solenoid, the injector, and the CMS nozzle. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. See you.